In this brief session of the Microsoft Teams tutorial, we'll go over the process for downloading Teams and signing in. So if you have Windows 11 in your PC, to the right of the search on the taskbar, you have this chat option. So you can click on it and then click on Get Started. Now to use Teams, the free version of Teams with a personal account, you can simply click on Sign In and start using Teams. However, if your organization uses Teams, whether it's a school or in the corporate environment, then you may need to download Microsoft Teams for work. So to do that, you'll click on the link here, and then you'll click on Download the desktop version, and you'll need to install that with the defaults. Once the application has been installed, you can click here on Search, and do a search for Microsoft Teams for work or school. And notice here we have the Microsoft Teams, work or school, and then click on it. So we click here on Get Started, and then you will need to sign in with your work or school account. You may need to have to accept this to allow the organization to manage this device. And now you are signed in. And on the left-hand side, notice that we have a variety of tabs, such as Activity, the Chat module, Teams module, Assignments. This is because it's an education account. The Calendar option, Calls, Files, and apps that we can either locate or search and install. So stay tuned for the next module where we'll actually go into each one of those modules and cover them in depth.